What is up, guys? This is the Life of Brian, and welcome back to a different kind of video. I didn't have time to record a gaming video and edit it all tonight. I'm terribly sorry. How's my hair? Is it okay? Is it okay? But sit back, relax, and enjoy this time-lapse video of me building my new computer desk because my other one was shit. I had a video of how it looked before, and it got deleted. So you just have to see it. Just have to see it now. So sit back, relax, and enjoy. And I'll catch you guys tomorrow, hopefully, with the new video. And it should be alright. So see you later, guys. Thank you guys for watching.
Thank you.